was flying through the galaxy
Robert Duvall about the judge. The guy's dying. It's sort of funny and serious.
From one day when he heard a distant
okay, bye guys.
Posey, where's my kiss? Bye.
someone who had been kidnapped. Jabba the Hutt. Luke flew down and tried to rescue the person who had been captured. Just when he landed his ship, Jabba's men threw him in prison. Now Luke was captured. So we're gonna see what happens.
Here's our mittens. Okay. Here you go, Pumpkin.
Posey, when you come see me at work?
Let's go watch some.
I went to Daddy's boat and I didn't.
Yeah, and you know you actually had school today and I messed up?
Luke revealed to see Han.
Oh, and here's your hat.
Okay,
wait here. I'm gonna get your seat in there.
Wait. Tells Han to grab his lightsaber
There's a seat in my car.
and give it to him.
Okay.
When Han does this, Luke uses the lightsaber to cut through the prison bars. Luke
here's a
and
hat.
Han run outside with
Bye.
Jabba.
Have fun.
Luke and Han run outside with Jabba. Noticing
Love you.
with
Thanks.
Jabba's not noticing. Then Luke, Han, and Chewie destroy the Millennium Falcon. Not destroy them, all the Jabba's men, and take off in the Millennium Falcon. So let's give it a 2-minute break. Okay. Darth Vader's the call. Now he's looking. Let's see. Kids. Out of nowhere, a meteor hit Vader's spaceship. I think that's immediately. Vader's ship
Roman, turn this way. Roman, turn this way.
Rapidly descend. When Vader was close to crashing on Endor, he ejected from his ship and parachuted to safety. Now Vader was safe on Endor, but his ship was wrecked. If you might like battles, this is what it looks like. You can read it for a little bit, but we're gonna skip it. Awesome. Boom! They destroy something. Right to start. And if you are not a Cam Newton fan, you'll like this. A Ewok rips Cam Newton jersey. Thank you.